So guys, enough is enough. This hair of mine really needs intervention. So in today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how I retwist my dreads. So this is the before. Yeah, and those who are blaming quarantine like me, we should stop, okay? And get to work. So let's start. I noticed I did not say hi. Please forgive my manners. How are you doing, guys? I've really missed you. What's happening? What's popping? Please tell me down at the comments. And let's get to the hair. So the first thing, I partition my hair into 4 parts. Not really equal parts, but I try. So I do this so that I can oil my hair and my scalp properly. My hair is quite damp as I had washed it earlier on, and when you're retwisting your dreads, your hair should be damp. The last time I retwisted my dreads was when the lockdown began, and the growth, oh my god, as you can see, we can't even see the scalp. I now go in with my oil. I use jojoba oil, but any oil can be used, be it coconut oil, black castor oil, olive oil, and all that. I then put a generous amount of the oil onto my palms and moisturize one of those portions of the hair and massage it in and ensure that my hair is fully moisturized, because that is very important. Partitioning or dividing the hair into 4 parts really isn't the oil application and also the retwisting process. I then do the same to each portion. So guys, this is what I'll be using to retwist. It's a gel wax, yep, with tea tree oil. And this is how it looks. So guys, what I do, I take individual lock, then comb through the lock. After that, I partition with my bare hands the excess hair, and then take a generous amount of gel, which I apply on the growth only, and then I roll it on a clockwise direction. I know some of you are cringing right now after I've said generous amount of gel or wax, but the good thing with this one, it does not cause build-up, and still after we finish retwisting, I'll show you a hack that I normally use to prevent the build-up from the gel. So guys, as I retwist, I'll tell you a backstory of my locks. So if you're not really interested, there are timestamps at the description box down below. You can skip to the minute that you want to see. So I installed them on 5th of January 2019. I've had them for roughly 1 year and 6 months. So guys, there are actually 2 things that inspired me to install dreadlocks. One, it's my mom. She had 13-year-long dreadlocks, which I actually cut. I'll put a picture on the screen. And 2, it's because I want to go on a vacation to Jamaica. You guys, what do you think? How cool can it be when I have like dreadlocks and I'm vacationing in Jamaica, you know? So another thing is that I have 63 locks on my head. And guys, if you're still listening to me, comment down below 63. I really appreciate. And the funny thing is, when they were installed, they were really tiny, and I don't know what happened. The volume really increased, and my locks are really fat, for lack of a better word. And advice I'd like to give a beginner who's starting to retwist is that just be patient with yourself. I'm also not a pro. I actually know a lot in theory and less in practical, but we move regardless, and practice makes perfect. So guys, kindly, if you've not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload, and it's completely free. Give this video also a thumbs up, and also comment down below, guys. And if you really want to support me, just that will really go a long way, and I'll really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Okay? So guys, at this moment I was super tired. I was contemplating whether to eat or continue, but I continued. So it took me around 1 hour and 30 minutes. Yeah. Sorry for the change of lighting, but I had to post this. So I use a cloth soaked in hot water and I remove the excess wax with it. So this prevents buildup. This is the final reveal. I did sleep like this. So let's see. Ooh. I then spray my hair with the TCB shear spray, and this helps in making the hair shine. And this is how I retwist my dreadlocks. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I took some pictures which I'll show you in a moment. So guys, if you've not yet subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button and give this video a like.